I added doily to it, and I sewed, took my sewing machine and sewed around it. And I did more things. You'll have to look at all of the different parts to this video to see what I did. But we're going to start from the front and see what we need to finish. These have things in the pockets, so we don't need to do that. That's all taken care of. This is the squishy we made. I don't like how white it is. So all this probably won't stay on, but for now, I'm doing that to it. Okay, I'll flip that up. There's that section which opens, both of those open. This is the applique I put on. Another one of these digitals here. Oops. Get back over here. Applique. Another digital here. Here. And here's my mini folders. Got a little paper clip, decorated paper clip there. And I think we're coming to one of the sections we need to finish. This is a pocket right here. And this is where we're going to add some paper. Just real quick. This is tea-dyed note paper. So I'm going to just grab some glue and glue it on. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it glued now. I got the glue on. Now I'm just going to stick it down. Alright, meets up with the page best I can. Smash it into the glue. Just make sure that it gets all the bubbles out and it gets glued down good. And then I have this part that folds over, or I can just cut it out or tear it out. I think I'm going to tear it out. I like to see the little tiered bits. It looks cool. So there's a little part right here that didn't get down, so I'm going to go back and try to get that. This already dried. Okay. And it should work real good. There we go. All that's down. Now for the next one. Okay, when you open it to the side, you see this page that needs to be glued down. I'll try to put everything there so this can go quickly. I suggest you do that for your projects too if you don't have a lot of time to do them. Maybe you have a lot of projects. Just set them up for the next time. That way you can get more accomplished. Kind of like setting your clothes out the night before. It just goes so much smoother. You don't have to think about it. tear some more of that off if you want. Just leave it, because it'll look older with my rough edges. Okay, we're gonna, this one goes here. I'm just gonna glue it on like we did before. Now I'm just going around this because I've glued this to the back for journaling space. And then this is going to go in that window pocket you saw earlier. And I'll show how that works. Almost done. Finishing touches. I want that down, so I'm gonna peel it back so I can get it down good. Or not. That's fine. If it comes up, it's just gonna look older. Okay. Anyway, it's gonna go in like so. And I think I want to put a hole in that and a string, because then you can pull it out. Right. Decorate that up. Some ink. Okay, now we just need the string for that. See, what I had planned to do, I think, is glue this down. Or, you know, you could just put that there. I think that'll be great. Okay, now I'm going to grab my string. Hopefully that'll stay up. It's not going to. And I'm going to cut that. Okay, let's pull that through and get a little shorter. And I might add just a tad bit more shading. I don't like all that majorly white background. Then we need to do the back better. Edge that. It just gives it so much more life and dimension. Adding all this ink. Okay. It just goes right in there. You can pull it out and in. That's there. I do not like stark whiteness, so let's get that taken care of. That way my car can look a little bit more retro, at least, and kind of match that way. You know what? Is that a, no, it's not a pocket. I was thinking it was. Okay. Did I already lose my pen that I had there? Here's another one, I think. Yep. Okay. All of that is in. And we are good on the whole thing now. And do we have any room to put any paper is the question. We may not. Maybe just a whole Flippy Thingy journal. I don't know, it might hold a little paper. Well, let me think, and you tell me what you think in the comments. Should it have paper with it on this side, like a journal? Let me know. Bye-bye.